Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Java. First, you will need to download the official Minecraft launcher from the Mojang website. This is your gateway to the game. Next, create or log in with your Microsoft account. If you do not already own the Java edition, you will need to purchase it. Finally, install the game files to your computer's hard drive, which typically requires about 1 GB of space. Once the game is installed, open the Minecraft launcher and ensure Java Edition is selected. Then, simply click the play button to launch the game application. From the main menu, choose Single Player to embark on your adventure. You can then create a new world, selecting from game modes like Survival, Creative, or Hardcore, each offering a unique experience. Navigating your new world is straightforward. Use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, W for forward, A for left, S for backward, and D for right. Press the spacebar to jump over obstacles and hold the left shift key to sneak, preventing falls. Your mouse controls your view and interactions. Left-click to break blocks and gather resources, and right-click to place blocks and build structures. Crafting is essential for survival. Open your inventory with the E key to access the 4-slot crafting grid. Combine raw materials like wood planks to create basic tools such as a crafting table, which expands your crafting options to 9 slots. Remember to build a simple shelter before nightfall to protect yourself from hostile mobs. Always gather food and resources to maintain your character's health and hunger levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.